Setting up my hammock here. Private land. My club. So, under quilt, 5 degrees C. My Rasta hammock. A nice pad. I got a pad under there. Works pretty good. Yeah, I got to put the tarp on here. And that's a net. And also, I don't want no critters licking my face. And I'll put a little plastic foot pad down there. I'll be up voiding at night. I got my trekking poles over there in case I need them, want to set them up. So, got my German backpack. Old German backpack. Yeah. Whole bag of like 25 pounds. I got, stuff in there, so. Robert Luden. Stranglebach, Germany. And got my name on there now too, so. Got a compass there, light, headlamp. My tripod's down there, but the camera's in the car. So I'm going to set this tarp up, but I just wanted to show you the setup. I'm going to be more than warm enough, I'll tell you, because first time I slept out in the hammock here, it wasn't anything fancy. I just had a wool blanket and that was all right. But coldest I've gotten down is 32 here, but nice pad. We're good. So, going to the Eskimo Fair Rod. It's an Oktoberfest, so I want to make sure everything's set up now, not later. So, yeah. My winter tent was somewhere around here in the winter, so that's what we're doing. The only thing about this setup that I don't like, there's a rock down there. And if your hammock ever breaks and you hit the rock, you can get pretty messed up. That happened to me one time, and up here, over there, and that is not good. So I got my kerosene lantern. It's a Dietz number 2 D-light. Got some fuel in there, so I figured I'd use it up. So when it gets dark, I'll turn it on and get on to my business. I got my ridge line there, so I'm going to put my tarp over there. No piece of equipment over there that's in the woods. I think it's functional. I don't know, we haven't used it in so long. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. So the sleeping bag is just a 50-degree sleeping bag. Picked up at Aldi's, mummy style. The only thing is that it zips all the way to the end, and I don't like that because I use these as top quilts, and it was more than enough last night, and it was just, it went down to 53. I was just like warm as toast. But I have an LL Bean and another 0-degree sleeping bags Fahrenheit. I have 2 of those. Good foot pads. Use them as top quilts. They work excellent. But I just want to show you that. And we'll continue. Yeah, here it says, very comfortable, almost around 0. So it's very comfortable around, it's just 0.9 degrees C, so almost 0. And then comfort limit, -4 C, extreme, -22. It was definitely warm. I thought it was a 50-degree sleeping bag, but I guess it's not. But I didn't like the foot part at the end because it zipped all the way down. I don't like that. But just want to correct that. Better look at the pad here. Got 2 sides. In fact, I gotta let the air out. I'll do that. But yeah, this works pretty good. I've used this before. It's pretty good. But yeah, it's fine. It moves around a little bit in there, so I'm gonna experiment with bags in the hammock. So, but it works very well. Cascade. And there's a pillow that goes with this too. I don't know where it is. I couldn't find it. My tarp's in there. But kerosene lantern went all night. But so this has a little sleeve. That's why I knocked it down. I didn't have to do that. But I get this off, and then I'll start getting the other stuff off. Yeah, this is my nothing fancy. You know, I just ordered it. Made my own down under quilts, but this one I bought, and I tried it. It seems to work fine. I think it's like a 3/4, but it goes to 5C to 20C. So, and it's water resistant. Didn't rain or anything, but yeah, hooked on there, very nice. Has 2 little loops, and I hooked it in my carabiner. So yeah, that's it there. I'll show you a picture of it a little more after. So this is the Subito underquilt. That's the way it is, and this just hooks right into the carabiner. It's split here, and then it looks like that on the other side. So it works pretty well. Easy to hook up, and it did work. But again, it wasn't that. It only got down to 53 Fahrenheit, so that wasn't bad. That's nothing, really. But worked okay. So anyways, here's my Eno. I call it my Rasta hammock. I don't know what they call it. I thought they did in the beginning. But I have a ridge line hooked up in here, and that just relieves the stress on the hammock, and then you can hang some things on there too. So, but I always have this in there, and I have it pretty set well. But and you can just make sure the tension's correct on it. And I got some. Let's see.